So we have assigned this and we have looked up at all the options available here with for sharing with teachers, editing the info, moving to a folder and deleting the lesson. This is showing me a new lesson and this is a new folder I can create here too so that I can keep my content in a organized manner so that I can classify it later easily. Here I can see some classes, which classes are available. So I can see my class here and I select another class. So another class, it is not having any lesson, so that's why it's showing blank. All right. So before moving on to these options, let's get back to the our web page where we have some more options available. So we have covered up till now, we have covered assign, highlight, insert a sticky note, insert a question, and insert a discussion. These three dots specify more options. Let's see what are these more options. Okay, the first one is assign to students. We have already done that using the insert learning tab, this icon on the toolbar, or as well on the insert learning dashboard. From here, I can also assign the a lesson to my students. So I can assign from here also. Second one is share with teachers. The same link. Again, we can share it from the dashboard of the insert learning from here. As we have seen, share it with the teachers. And same is case with here. I can share it with the teachers from here as well. Then again, edit lesson info. If I want to edit lessons information like this option comes up and same edit info was these two options are same. Okay, so I can edit info. All right, now you can see this has been checked list in public library, which I have asked that I will not do it right now, but this has now been checked. Okay, let's check it. Let's select it and see what it will does. So let's save it and list it in public library. So what this option will do is it will list my lesson into the public library available here. This is the public library of insert learning. Here all the teachers from all over the world, whatever content they are creating, whatever lessons they are creating, they can post their content so that other teachers can benefit from them and they can copy their lessons, or they can get an idea how to create an interactive lesson if they find someone's lesson interesting, so they can find it there. So this option, clicking on list in public library, will add my lesson into this public library where anyone from the world can see, any teacher. All right, so when I click it list in public library and save it, so this content, this lesson will be saved in the public library. All right, we'll get back to it later. Let's finish this first. Okay, the next option is view as a student. Now since we have created this lesson and I want to see how a student will view, what will be the student's view of this lesson, so let's look at it as a student. Now this is the student's view. First thing you notice here is the toolbar has shrunk. It has only three options for settings. Uh, Also, one thing I want to tell you is while using insert learning, the students also need to have insert learning add-on added to their browser so that they can access this interactive content. This content is available only because of insert learning. This web tool has to be inserted in the student's browser as well. Then only they will be able to see this interactive content. Otherwise, they will be seeing a normal web page as it happens on the net. All right, so as a student you can see the only three options are available. They can highlight the text if they want to, like some students like to highlight more text so that they can learn it easily, and they want to insert some sticky notes, so they can do that too. So here you can see a student can view the video, or they can select a question like he wants to answer this question, this is answered, or I can comment, I am Harry, like this. Alright, so this is the student view. Let's resume the